Hell yeah, dude.
Chill them on for the respect. Yeah, never settle for less. I'ma get that spazzing on till it's pitch black. I am just an icon living. Anybody that hate, I will Smith them. Get it? If you didn't, well, I guess you gotta listen more.
Alright, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel. I'm gonna be installing a couple things for the B5. Got R8 coil packs with spacers. First things first, we're gonna unplug the battery before we start pulling anything off. Just a couple bits here. Take them off. We get that done. One hand in it. Then I'm gonna have Brad make a harness for the 4-pin because these are 3 pins. So stand by. Every single one is. Alright, let's get these puppies off. Alright, once you get these fuckers off, you just inspect it. It's looking decent. And we just start fitting these on. I think that's how it's supposed to go. I don't know if they're like just all the same. So they're gonna sit all like that, all the way across. And then these puppies are gonna sit right on top. Stay tuned. Alright, so once you get your spacers on, it should look something like that. I'm gonna get them all seated down, and then I'm gonna put on the R8 coil pack. Some people don't run these. They just put them on and strap them down, or they make braces that go over the top. But I thought this was a cool little addition to like the whole motor, the whole setup. So I'm gonna put them on, and then we're gonna get slamming on it. Alright, once you get them all in, then it's time for your coil pack. I went with a authentic Chinese R8 2.0 turbo coil pack. It's a 4-pin. Like I said, I'm gonna have Brad start working on the harness. Here at ECAC, that's what we do. We do stuff like this. Stuff people probably wouldn't do. So I'm gonna slap this in here, and then I'll show you how it looks. So I got this one on. So yeah, plus there's like a little gap right here on each one. I thought they all went to a certain part on the cylinder head, but I guess just that's how the design is. So this pack seems pretty good, pretty secure. I'm gonna put the rest on, and then I'll show you what we're working with here. All right, boys, we did it. We got the spacers on. We got the coil packs on. She's looking fucking mean. Nice. So next to do is just the adapters from 3-plug to 4-plug, because these are 4 plugs. Your car's set up for 3-plug. So instead of spending the money online for something like that, we're just gonna create our own. It's gonna be the next day because I'm not at the shop, and we don't do no more work in the shop. So we're running out of daylight. I'm gonna keep those because there's nothing wrong with them. Keep them for a rainy day, just in case these R8 packs are trash. Fingers crossed. The Chinese. They've been pretty good to me. 200 plus K. Haven't really had a hiccup besides, minor maintenance. Boy, does she look good. That's awesome. Boy, does she look good. Let's just make sure we have clearance. What am I hitting? Oh. Those bad boys. Those ones. So that's it. R8 coil packs are in. I wasn't able to do the wiring. He's gonna do the wiring for me. I am not good at that. So he's gonna do the wiring. This might be a 2-part video. This might just be a whole video crammed into one. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.
Chill 'em on for the respect. Yeah, never settle for less. I'ma get that spazzing on till it's pitch black. I am just an icon living. Anybody that hate, I will Smith them. Get it? If you didn't, well, I guess you gotta listen more.